Hey everyone! Welcome back to Entrepreneurial Edge, the channel dedicated to helping you achieve financial freedom. A lot of people are stuck in a financial rut, living paycheck to paycheck, feeling like they're just getting by. In today's video, we're diving deep into 10 common money traps holding you back from achieving your financial goals. So, if you're ready to escape the middle-class grind and start building a solid financial future, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. Alright, let's be blunt. The first and biggest mistake I see people making is not investing in their financial education. You wouldn't try to fix your car's engine without knowing anything about mechanics, right? So, why treat your money any differently? Knowledge is power, and in the financial world, it's the key to unlocking real wealth. Think of it like this: every dollar you earn is an employee working for you. Your job is to make those dollars work smarter, not harder. Remember, as Warren Buffett said, risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. Let's talk about taxes. Taxes are one of the biggest expenses most people have, especially in the middle class. Wealthy people think about taxes differently. They don't just accept them, they plan for them. They use strategies like investing in real estate, maximizing deductions, and working with experienced CPAs to legally reduce their tax burden. We're talking about saving 20%, sometimes even 30% of their hard-earned money. This isn't about evading taxes, it's about being smart and utilizing every legal advantage available to you. So, my advice, find yourself a good CPA, someone who specializes in tax planning for investors and entrepreneurs. Trust me, the money you save will be well worth the investment. Now let's talk about the stock market. It can be a powerful tool for building wealth, but only if you approach it the right way. There's a big difference between trading and investing. Trading is like gambling. You're trying to time the market, make a quick buck. Most day traders lose money. They get caught up in the hype and make impulsive decisions. Investing, on the other hand, is about the long game. It's about finding solid companies with strong fundamentals and holding on to them for years, even decades. Warren Buffett once said, "An investor should act as though he had a lifetime decision card with just 20 punches on it. Every time you buy or sell a stock, it's a punch on your card. Choose wisely." The comfort zone trap. Change is your friend, embrace it. Let's face it, change can be scary. But if you want to achieve something you've never had, you're going to have to do things you've never done. This applies to all aspects of your life, especially your finances. Maybe you need to cut back on unnecessary expenses, even if it means giving up some comforts. Maybe you need to move to a more affordable city, or consider a career change that offers better growth potential. Remember, growth and comfort rarely coexist. Embrace the discomfort, step outside your comfort zone, and be open to making the changes necessary to achieve your financial goals. Playing at too safe calculated risks are the stepping stones to success. Avoiding risk altogether can be detrimental to your financial well-being. Every successful entrepreneur and investor has taken risks. It's about taking calculated risks, doing your due diligence, and not being afraid to fail. As Charlie Munger said, the less you have, the more risk you can take, because it's all upside. This doesn't mean being reckless, but it does mean being willing to seize opportunities when you see them. Remember, the biggest risk you can take is not taking any risks at all. Embrace calculated risks to achieve financial success. The lifestyle inflation lie. Don't let your spending outpace your earning. How many times have you heard someone say, "I work hard, I deserve to treat myself"? There's a fine line between rewarding yourself and falling into the trap of lifestyle inflation. You get a raise, you buy a nicer car, you upgrade your apartment, you start eating out more. Suddenly you're back to square one, living paycheck to paycheck, but now with more expensive taste. Wealthy people understand the importance of living below their means regardless of their income. Remember, Warren Buffett's famous words, "Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving." Make saving a non-negotiable part of your budget. Now I know what you're thinking. Graham, you're all about real estate. And you're right, I am. But not just because it's my business, but because it's one of the most powerful wealth-building tools available to the average person. Renting has its place, especially if you're in a transient phase of life. But over the long term, owning a home is one of the best ways to build equity and create financial stability. When you rent, you're paying off someone else's mortgage. When you own a home, you're making an investment that appreciates over time. You're building equity with every mortgage payment. So if you're on the fence about buying a home, don't let fear or misconceptions hold you back. Do your research, talk to a mortgage professional, and see if owning a home is the right move for you. We've all been there, stuck in a job we don't love, counting down the minutes until the weekend. Staying in a job that doesn't fulfill you can be one of the biggest financial mistakes you can make. It's not just about the money, it's about your time, your energy, your mental health. When you're stuck in a job you hate, it drains you and prevents you from pursuing your true potential. What are you passionate about? What are you good at? Start exploring your options. Take courses, network with people in your desired field, and don't be afraid to make a change. Remember, as Warren Buffett once said, never give up searching for the job you are passionate about. Now this one might seem counterintuitive, but it's a trap I see a lot of well-meaning people fall into. They downplay the importance of money. They say things like, money doesn't buy happiness, or I'm not materialistic. While it's true that money can't buy everything, pretending that it doesn't matter is a recipe for disaster. Money is a tool. It's a resource that can be used for good or for evil. To pretend that it doesn't matter is to deny yourself the freedom and opportunity that financial security provides. When you have money, you have choices. You have the power to take care of yourself and your loved ones. You have the ability to pursue your dreams without being held back by financial constraints. Let's acknowledge its power and use it wisely to create a better life for ourselves and for others. This last one is more of a mindset issue, but it's just as important as any of the other traps we've discussed. It's the belief that nothing works, that you're destined to struggle financially. This kind of negative self-talk is incredibly destructive because it becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. If you believe that you're doomed to fail, you're not going to be motivated to even try. But here's the truth. Your mindset is your most powerful asset. If you believe that you can achieve financial success, you're far more likely to take the necessary steps to make it happen. Pay attention to your self-talk. Are you constantly putting yourself down? Are you focusing on the negative? Once you're aware of your negative thoughts, you can start to challenge them. Stay patient, make sacrifices, and you'll get there. That's it for today's video. Remember, achieving financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. Avoid these 10 money traps and you'll be well on your way to building a brighter financial future. Are you ready to make the necessary changes to escape the middle-class trap? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more financial tips and advice. Until next time, keep hustling and stay focused on your goals.